After spending an amazing few months in Thailand, we're sad to say that this is our last day. Thailand has a hold on our hearts, but just like everything else, all good things must come to an end. This is not a goodbye, but a see you later. And just like that, a new chapter begins, so today we're leaving Thailand and headed to somewhere new. But for those of you who have already been following us, you may already know where we're headed. It's a travel day today, and we are heading from Bangkok to somewhere we've never been before. We've packed our bags, and now we are heading straight to the airport, but first we have to go try to get a Grab.
Bye-bye, Luke. Bye. Oh, I'm gonna miss him so much. He was always so sweet to me.
Yeah.
Listen. It's sad when you finally find a place to stay, and people that you meet are really nice.
Yeah.
And you create a bond with them, and they just leave a lasting effect on you, and it's like they become your family.
Yeah.
And then now you have to leave again. Yeah, it's a crazy feeling. But after there.
So we made it to security, got our VAT refund, which is really helpful. So I really recommend getting a VAT refund done if you guys do end up shopping at one of the malls or during duty free.
Yeah, and it was actually our first time doing it.
Yeah.
So it was quite exciting for me. We got 150 baht back.
It's not bad.
Yeah, I shopped at Zara, so they do have like a minimum spend.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm pretty sure if you're gonna come to Thailand, you're gonna shop.
Yeah. Next stop is going to be a Party Pass. We're going to go find out where the lounge is and go take a quick break for 1 hour. We've come over to the Coral Executive Lounge. It's right in front of the security checkpoint. So
we only have 1 hour to devour some food before we get on the flight.
Yeah.
So I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Coral Executive Lounge here at the Don Mueang Airport. You have a tea station, your juices, cereal, prawn crackers, delicious. Toast and butter, cutest little toaster. You have your salads, tuna sandwich, cheese sandwich, your warm food, soup, all your sauces. And your fruits and cold desserts.
it was a nice little stop over at the lounge.
Yes.
Yeah.
It was really nice to just finally get to eat all the stuff that we had.
Or and, never quite got the chance to.
Yeah. So we've run into a couple of problems.
Yeah.
First one is we just booked our Airbnb yesterday.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have a difficult time getting to our Airbnb.
Yeah.
The airport is an hour away, and secondly, we don't have a SIM card.
Nope.
We tried to book it on Klook. I'll leave the link down below on where you can get a SIM card off of Klook, but the pickup is 2 days from today. we need
it today.
Yeah, so we could take the Grab over to our Airbnb.
Yeah.
So 2 issues, but I guess once we
Wait,
what?
We actually got to go left. Oh my goodness.
The one where they rent?
No. We got to go to gate 4.
Yeah, the couple that was running that way. Oh my gosh. Randy has a double, please.
Seems kind of far.
Oh my god. It's a much longer walk than anticipated.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome.
We made it with just a few minutes to spare, but then we find out that the flight is delayed. So we're finally doing some research now that the flight is delayed. And we read a really nice paragraph.
Yeah.
And Waseem would like to share it with you.
It says, prayers go up to the sky. Really nice way to say that. In 3 main languages. Bahasa, name of the country where we're going. Mandarin and Tamil. And to the 3 main religions, Islam, Chinese, Taoism, and Hinduism. So really multicultural country.
Okay, time to board. I feel like a sardine in here. Oh my god, this AC.
A whole lot of condensation.
It is blowing.
What did we get?
One last time. Can't seem to get enough of it. I don't know if they're gonna have this where we're going. But Thai mango sticky rice is delicious. It's the best thing that I've ever had in Thailand. Other than tom yum soup.
Hey, thank you. Touchdown in
Malaysia! We are here in Kuala Lumpur. It is our first time, and we are super excited.
Super excited.
We finally made it after 2 hours, and the outside is overcast, and it seems like it might be raining, or it has been raining.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's cooler here, so...
Yeah. So supposedly a couple of degrees cooler. We got a chance to talk to the guy sitting next to us. Give us so much information.
Yeah, we made a friend. His name is Lang.
So Ling, if you're watching,
Thank you, cool
thank you.
Lang.
Appreciate it.
And now we are off to go get our luggage.
Yeah.
And try to figure out this how we're gonna get to our Airbnb and the SIM card situation.
Yeah. So we're having quite a little bit of a difficulty because the Airbnb host sent us a video that we cannot sign into because we got to request permission to view the video.
Yeah,
So we
that's
have
because
no
he sent
idea
it
how
over
to.
Google Drive. And so I think it's just like the
process of-
how to get into the Airbnb. So he did send over a couple of photos and stuff. So I'm hoping that would be sufficient for us to get in.
Yeah.
But we are not going to get SIM card. We're just working off of Wi-Fi right now.
Yeah.
And we're gonna try to get a grab that way
Yeah.
and head over to our Airbnb. Now let's hope that we're able to get it.
First time.
Super excited to explore most of Malaysia. Let's go! We finally made it to our Airbnb.
Yeah.
It is 10 p.m. and what was supposed to be a short travel day turned into an almost 12-hour travel day.
And that was all because of internet issues. We were trying to hailed a Grab.
Yes.
And lost internet, lost airport internet. So that was this whole thing of going back and forth, going on to the second floor to catch internet, coming back down.
Well, thank you so much for coming along and navigating the travel day with us, going through some mishaps. And also, guys, we are traveling, but also know we are learning along with you. There are a lot of firsts for us. So as we're learning, I mean, I'm sure you're learning and vice versa. So we can exchange ideas in the comments. That would be amazing. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.
And if you would like to follow us on our Malaysia journey,
please do, because the Malaysia trip starts now.
Next on WeWanderlustCo.
That is hilarious.